Canada. Education and employment. We choose Canada because it's a great country and we have very differences and similitudes on the education.
How is education different? In Mexico, the educational base is deductive reasoning, and in Canada, they concentrate in higher grades and useful knowledge. In Mexico, the student is conditioned to accept a specific behavior and to fit in, and in Canada, the student is trained to understand concepts and their applications. In the public schools of Canada, there are better facilities for the students than in Mexico. Ay, dije México, no México.
No. The academic careers last around 3 and 4 years. Limited scholarships. The education is multicultural and in both you get a degree.
What would you need to study there? Well, first you have to finish the high school, then you have to deliver your final certificate of studies, then the translated qualification certificate, and then you have to have a minimum score of 85 in the TOEFL IBT and the student visa.
Thank you.
Bye.